Christmas tree time!
Go crazy.
Okay, not that crazy, not that crazy. Bam, what are we doing?
Building a Christmas tree.
We're gonna build a Christmas tree? Are you gonna help us?
And this Christmas tree is bigger and taller than Dada.
Oh, it's bigger and taller than Dada?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's pretty tall, dude.
But it can't break our house.
It's gonna break our house?
Yeah.
No way, Jose.
But it's Christmas.
Asha, what are you doing, baby?
Why?
Walking around with your Halloween basket? She hasn't moved on yet. Okay, hey guys, we gotta leave them down so that we can separate them all, okay? Oh boy, crazy crazies. Well, we got some decorations up here.
Hold on.
And now it's time for the big tree up here. You like that one? Yeah, that's the little one, huh? Yeah.
I didn't see it before.
Yep. Go ahead.
Guys, what are you building?
We're building a Christmas tree.
Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Look, it's not doing pictures.
Almost done. Not really, but kind of.
Almost done, dude.
Yeah.
No vlogging or Batman taken from you.
That's not nice. Asha likes to vlog too sometimes.
No, I like the vlog.
You like to vlog?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Can Asha vlog sometimes too?
No, I can vlog.
Well, you gotta share vlogging.
Okay.
Okay. And just like that, the tree is up.
First, we gotta wrap it up.
Huh?
First, we gotta wrap it up.
We gotta what?
Plug it up.
Oh, we gotta plug it up. We gotta put the lights on it first. There's no lights on it. We gotta fluff it first. And then we gotta put lights on it and ornaments. Look who's in the tree box. What are you guys doing in there?
Hi.
What are you guys doing in the tree box, sillies?
We're driving to a park.
Oh, you're driving to the park?
Yeah.
Oh. Did you guys put your seatbelts on?
Not yet.
Oh, you better put your seatbelt on. Good job. Nice job. The lights are almost up, but I feel like right here there is a bald spot, and maybe it needs some help right here. So I have one more bunch. Let's see if we can fix it.
Hi guys, this is my sister. This is my mom. And my family. My dad is trying to do food.
What's your dad trying to do?
I'm talking about. Let me go back.
Okay, I think we have the situation under control finally. Check it out. Bald spot is gone. And wow, you look so handsome in front of the tree. And I think it's pretty well lit. Yeah, go do your dance. Do your dance. Oh yeah, do your dance. Oh yeah, do the bam bam dance. Bam bam dance.
Wait, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that yet. I need a dance.
Okay, ready? We're about to do the bam bam Asha dance. Bam bam Asha dance. Bam bam Asha Asha. Oh, Bam Bam Asha dance. Bam Bam Asha dance. Go, Bam Bam, go, Asha. We're about to do the Bam Bam Asha dance. Bam Bam Asha dance. Yeah, yeah. Bam Bam Asha dance. Bam Bam Asha dance. Oh my God, we're getting on the floor. Oh yeah. The Bam Bam Asha dance. Bam Bam Asha dance. We're going crazy. Bam Bam Asha dance. The Bam Bam Asha dance. Bam Bam Asha dance. Oh yeah. The Bam Bam Asha dance. Go Asha, go Asha, let's see what you got. Go Asha, let's see what you got. Go Bam Bam, let's see what you got. Go Bam Bam, let's see what you got. Go Asha, go Bam Bam, go Asha, go Bam Bam. We're doing the Bam Bam Asha dance. We're doing the Bam Bam Asha dance. Oh yeah, the Bam Bam Asha dance. Get up and dance. Everybody do the Bam Bam Asha dance. The Bam Bam Asha dance. Yeah, yeah, Bam Bam Asha dance. The Bam Bam Asha dance. Boom! Yay! Again. And we're gonna do the Bam Bam Asha dance. And the Bam Bam Asha dance. Go, go, Bam Bam. Go, go, Asha. The Bam Bam Asha dance. Yep, if you would like that song, it will be in your local iTunes. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Don't mind the craziness. I am obviously not a songwriter, but I must say so myself, that was a pretty great song. Right, Bam Bam? Great song? It's pretty catchy. Yeah, you like that one?
Do that. Do that, guys. Like you like it? Subscribe and our channel.
Subscribe to our channel. That's right, buddy. We got this kid trained. If you like that song, subscribe to our channel like Bam said. All right. Now to the ornaments. You are so cute, buddy. Ornaments. Look at that one. Look at this ornament. Do you know what this ornament is, buddy? What is it?
It's a sock ornament.
It's baby Bam Bam. When he was in Mama's belly. Yeah. Our ornament from last year. Look at that.
Papa.
Yeah. So cute.
Look at me, guys.
You putting the ornament on?
Yeah. So don't move.
Okay.
Right, you guys. We got the new KFC chicken and waffle sandwich. Our life yesterday. And then we go into the intro. First glances, this presentation looks horrible. I'm gonna be honest.
Hold on.
I'm gonna be honest, and so you guys know, I never actually had chicken and waffles, and I don't like waffles. So I don't know if I'm setting KFC up for success here, but this is waffle, right? That's a waffle. And then there's some chicken tenders, it looks like, on the inside of there. So I know this is already gonna be too much for Hamali, and she was really looking forward to this, but she might just have to take a chicken tender, one of them off.
Yeah.
Because she can't open up her mouth that big, like, ah. It is pretty good.
Yeah?
I like that.
Okay.
Hamali's really milking this.
Okay. This is just way too big. Like, is it really necessary?
Guys, is this?
What are your thoughts?
Looks huge.
It is huge. So you're gonna have to smash it down with your hands first.
And it's just one big piece of chicken. It's not like...
Oh, 2 tenders?
Yeah.
So you can't rip it?
No.
Let's see. Let me see that bite. Did you even get anything? Mm-hmm. First bite in your mouth, how does it feel?
It's actually pretty good.
Really?
Mama.
Does it leave you wanting more?
Mama, you need to give me a Watson there.
What are you talking about? Tell the people.
I want Watson water in this one.
You want water in that one?
No, I want Watson juice in here.
You want lots of juice in there?
Yeah.
That little old cup, you want juice?
Yeah.
It's really hard to eat.
You tried to hurry up and take another bite while you guys on camera?
I think, for me, not being a crazy meat eater, this piece of chicken was just too thick. But
I'm gonna rip it.
I will say,
The flavor is good.
the flavor is on point. Really good. It's like a perfect balance of spicy and sweet.
Unlike Hamali, I do actually think you can rip. Yeah, mine's is.
But yours is like two pieces.
Yeah.
Mine is just like a big piece.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like that. Yours is a waffle.
It's not Arby's, it's a KFC, buddy.
Yours is a waffle.
It's a waffle. Yours is a waffle.
I thought you said your Arby's is a waffle.
Oh. It's okay. I'm not crazy about it.
No?
But I'm not a big chicken and waffles person. Another calorie intake because I feel like this is loaded with calories.
Oh, yeah.
Which is
easily.
good for me because I honestly probably eat less than 1,000 calories a day and I need to do better.
Yeah.
So this is probably 1,000 calories right here.
And probably in those bites you took. So if you guys go and try this chicken and waffles at KFC, let us know down below.
And
let
use
us know what you
code,
think.
or like yesterday, a KFC window, they won't give you no discount.
They won't give you no discount. Yeah, they're not. Yeah, subscribe.
Nice
You're
job.
so right, buddy. That's the second time he has told you to subscribe, so I don't know what you're waiting for. Go do it. Right, Bam Bam?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The morning you were coming, I will come and say subscribe, you guys.
You're gonna say that in the morning again?
And down below and watch our video.
Down below, yep. You are
job.
so good. Thank you. And tell him, give us a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up where you will watch this channel again.
Oh, that's right. Oh my God. He is a pro, you guys. But after we're done eating, we're gonna go finish putting the Christmas tree up and we will show you the finished product in a little bit. So anyways, we're gonna go eat now.
Should dance, 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 dance. Go like that. And I should dance, bam. And I should dance, bam. And I should dance, bam. I should dance now.
He's trying to show me up, but let's just be honest. My dance was better. My song was better.
Everybody put your hands in the air now. It's time to dance out. We got a new dance going on. This is Bam and Asha. This your chance, do your dance, Bam and Asha. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Bam and Asha dance, Bam and Asha dance, Bam and Asha dance, Bam and Asha dance.
It sounds kind of like you're just taking my song and you're trying to just put a different spin on it. It's not quite original.
Whose song was better, Dada's song or Mama's song?
More Dada song.
Oh, what song was better, Mama's song or Dada's song?
Dada song.
Yay, Dada's song.
Bam Bam, was Dada's song better or was Mama's song better?
Say.
And I should dance, dance all night long. Bam. And I should dance, bam. And I should dance, bam. And I should dance, dance all night long now. Bam. And I should dance, bam. And I should dance, bam. And I should dance all night long now. I need to see this. You got more eye boogies in your eye. Go to Mama. It's in her eye again.
So Asha has, something's up with her eye. I think we have an infection in there. But, poor baby, we gotta go see the doctor, huh? But you guys, it is the end of the night. Billy is at a work event and I am making these handy dandy flyer things for some people in my town because we are doing a thing called Markathon. Basically, we are going to run every single day of December. Minimum 3 miles or 30 minutes. Whoa. I've never ran every single day of any month. I mean, it sounds kind of bonkers, but it's like a tradition around here for a lot of runners. So I'm like, hey, let me try it out. So yeah, starts tomorrow. So if you're going to also do it, let me know. I mean, you guys probably can't do the first day if I get this up kind of late, but you should do it. Join us. It'll be fun. Hopefully. It's supposed to be raining tomorrow and cold. Yeah. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Anyways, that's all we have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. And yes, I realize I did not show you the Christmas tree, but you'll see it in tomorrow's vlog. So, yeah. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.